Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 12th of January 2025, Nifty Index opened negative and followed cues from the previous session with bears in control right from the start. It dropped below its 50-daily exponential moving average to 25,263 levels and closed near its lower band with losses of around 190 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and is forming lower highs, lower lows from the last 4 sessions. It formed a big bearish engulfing pattern on the weekly frame and dropped by nearly 750 points during the week. Now, India VIX was up by another 3% to 10.9 levels. Nifty put call ratio sunk to 0.62. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,200 to 26,100. While immediate range could be between 25,500 to 25,900 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,609 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,341 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 7.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 25,950, weakness could be seen towards 25,500, while resistances have shifted lower to 25,800 marks. Talking about Bank Nifty, till it holds below 59,500, some weakness could be seen towards 59,000 levels, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 59,500. Finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Nalco, Vedanta, Ashok Leyland, BEL, AU Bank, HCL Tech and IDFC First Bank. While some weakness could be seen in Delivery, IRCTC, RPNL, Max Healthcare, Bajaj Finance and Bharti Airtel. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.